Hi, my name is Luke. Welcome back to another video on this channel. So today I want to show you one of my personal EAs that I use on my live personal account and also my prop firm accounts. This was a request from one of the viewers of this channel, and I thought I would just make a quick video on it so you could see the EA as it trades. So yeah, like I said, I use this on my personal live account and I use it on my prop firm accounts, and this is currently the EA that you can see here. So what I will do is I will show you a long back test over 13 to 15 years on 100% quality history data, and then also I will show you the last 5 years of it running in the visualized test. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so first we will do the longer back test using the graph. So you can see that my start date is from 2012, the end of January 2012. This is as much data as I have going all the way back using USD/JPY with a custom symbol from Tick Data Suite. My EA is called StopHunter Pro, and we're going to use the M15 time frame. So if we now click Start, go to the graph, you'll see how this EA performed over the last almost 14 years. Okay, so the test is now running. This EA averages around 5.86% per month for the last, since 2012. It's done 5.86% a month on average, and you can see that it's a very profitable EA. I personally coded this myself. You can see it doesn't just go up in a straight line, which if you've watched any of my videos, you'll know that I don't like it to just go up in a straight line because it's not very stable to me. I prefer it to increment in steps so you can see what the drawdown periods are like. So obviously there's going to be drawdown. This EA only has around a 40 to 45% win rate, so you do get some drawdown periods, but as you can see, it doesn't really affect the performance of the EA. It recovers very nice. So I do also allow others to use this EA. I charge a fee of $249, and this is for a lifetime license. So you only have to pay once and you can use it for the rest of your life. And yeah, so that's the graph for the last 14 years. If we go to the back test, you can see that we're using 100% history quality, which means this is as accurate as you're going to get. If you look at other people's videos like this, where they show you the graph of the performance of the EA that they're trying to sell you, that this history quality will be 20 to 40%, which is really not realistic, and that is most likely going to be a scam. That will be where you put money into your account, you load the EA, and it just blows your account because it's not actually a profitable EA. It's not had loads of testing done and made stable, and it doesn't have a high recovery factor. But yeah, you can see this has a 100% history quality. We started with a $100,000 account, like you would with a FTMO account or something like that. We had a total net profit of 14 million over the last 13 years. Our gross profit was 81.25 million, and then our gross loss was minus 67 million, which leaves us a total of 14 million. There is a max equity drawdown of 20%, but this is just from where the account is in profit, and then it takes a few losses and then goes into profit and takes a few losses. So this isn't anything to be too worried about, and in the test it never actually dropped below 100,000, so it never went below the starting balance. which is very good. You can see that for short trades we have a 44% win rate, and for long trades we have a 52% win rate. You can see that we had a total of 2,000 trades, so it's on a large sample. This isn't just on, say, 20 trades. This is a very large sample which proves profitability. You can see that we don't have more than 2 consecutive losses in a row. We have 2 consecutive wins in a row. And if we come down here, you can see that pretty much every day is a profitable day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, the profit is always higher than their losses. If you look at the months, profits and losses by months, you will see that we never have more than 2 losing months in a row. We never really have more than 1 losing month in a row. So you can see January was always profitable. February was more break even to slightly unprofitable, but I'd more say break even. March was break even. April was profitable, May's profitable, June's profitable, July's profitable, August, September is slightly unprofitable, October is profitable, November is slightly unprofitable, and December is also profitable. So that is it for this. Let's now go back to the settings. We will do a visual test, and we will test the last let's do the last 5 years. I won't let it run the whole 5 years because obviously it'll take a while and it'll drag out the video, but we'll see. So we don't use a TP, we only use a stop loss, as we don't want to limit the amount that we can make. If we just let this load. Okay, so if we now run this test, you can see how the EA trades. Okay, so that was a loss, never mind. So we open a trade every day if price goes above or below these lines, and then we have a close time, so we close out the trade every day. So there's no holding trades overnight and there's no holding trades over the weekend. Just zoom this a little bit. It's very hard to keep the graph still in one place. The chart, sorry. So we are currently up almost 4%. Speed it up just a little bit. So like I said, stop loss does get hit quite often. We do only have around a 40% win rate. But this is nothing to worry about, as some of the best traders, or actually in fact pretty much all of the best traders on the planet, their win rate is around 20%. So yeah, that just shows you that you don't need a 100% win rate to make money. And now up 5.5% in 1 month. Like I said, it averages 5.86% a month. And I do offer you to purchase a lifetime license of this EA, like I said at the start. So it's $249 for a lifetime license. You only have to pay once. And you can contact me on Telegram to get your copy. So you can see we're now up 12%, and you have passed your 100k FDMO, and we're only in the 2nd month of the year. If you are interested in making your own EAs and your own indicators, and you would like to learn MQL5 programming, I have also just created a course. It is just 8 lessons, and then there is 2 bonus lessons. This is going for £99, but it is only that price for the first 30 buyers. After I've had 30 buyers, then the price will go up to £147. But yeah, I just thought I would mention that. Obviously, it's up to you if that's something that you would be interested in. I'm not trying to push anything. But yeah, this was a requested video, so I thought that I would make it. I don't normally like to make videos like these. I don't really like to show my personal stuff, and I'm not one to brag, so I'll probably let this be the last day. Okay, so if we close this. But yeah, like I said, you can contact me in Telegram. The link will be in the description, or you can go to my website and contact me through there. And then you can get yourself a copy of this EA, a lifetime license for $249. And for the course, if you're interested in learning how to program your own indicators and expert advisors, dashboards, all that sort of stuff, you can also contact me in Telegram or on my website by my email for that. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.